We put avocado oil on here so that, you know, she thinks it might stick. So now we got to put it on there. All right, that's good. And now we're going to stick it in the oven over here. You ready? Oh, she's spraying more on. It's ready. Oh, we're going to season it. Should we put some garlic in there?
No, the garlic I have, we'll put it in after. The garlic I have is already cooked.
Okay.
Garlic. So
Right.
I'll take it out.
All right, here we go. I got it, I think, on 30 minutes.
Okay, did you see how long you do it for?
I think that'll work. We'll just check it. Nuwave.
Put this in. When you roast it at 425.
425. Oh, okay. So we changed it to 425 because I don't know what I'm doing.
For about 25 minutes.
For
But
25
also,
minutes.
You know, kind of tossing it over in between.
So that's going to be delicious. All right, we got time. To make sure it's good, I kind of see if it's tender. But I don't. She may want to cook it more. I don't know, honey. You want to check it?
Honey, if it's tender, if it goes through the fork, it's done.
Oh, if it does?
Huh?
If it goes through if the fork goes through it?
Yeah.
Well, it's still a little hard.
Then it's not done.
Okay, you want me to? I'll put it back in. All right. The broccoli is going to go mixed in here, right?
Yep.
Once it's all done. Yep.
Is it done or not?
No, I want you to check it with a fork. You tell me if it's done.
That's it.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
cool.
mean, it's not mush, but it's. I think that's good.
All right. Do
I'm
we have to
gonna chop
check?
it up? You know.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. So we're good. Oh, we're good. What are we gonna do now?
I'm gonna toast it.
And then she goes. And we just mix it up, I guess. Yeah. All right, so that looks good. Dinner is served. Check it out. All right, here we go. Good.